Hey, how's it going, guys? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have the 2007 Toyota Yaris maintenance light reset. We are going to use this button right here, the odometer and trip button, and just that button. And we're gonna be looking at that little screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. And as you can see, we are at the ODO. Make sure you're on the trip A. Go ahead and use the trip button. Click on it and find trip A, just like that. Now turn off your car. Now at the same time, press and hold this trip button and turn your car back on without starting. Press and hold, give me a second. Turn your car back on without starting, and you should see the blinker running just like that. And that's how we do it. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.